I have a tough slot. I know you're very hungry and had very eloquent speakers before me, so I'll rush through. Let me start by confessing the film is a little complimentary. The reality may be a little different. Yes, we're doing well, but not all problems are solved. And as most of you do stay in Delhi, I presume you will probably agree to what I'm saying. We have a long way ahead. I'll quickly tell you I touch upon a few important issues. The first, why did MCD choose Facebook? This is something which has been asked so many times at different fora. See, our basic objective is to make Delhi more clean. So anything which helps us in doing that, we must try and adopt that. We want to monitor how garbage is being lifted. We want to empower the citizen. Like the Delhi police has empowered the citizen, but we want to empower in a different way that the citizen can actually make things happen by using a forum, using a platform to complain where his complaint gets heightened attention at the topmost level. We wanted to involve the community. Citizens litter. After all, when we see garbage on the road, who has put it there? You and me, I mean, who else? It's not somebody from another part or some other. So we must involve the community and citizens in any effort to keep the city clean. And this platform, we thought was an important medium, an important means to achieve our objectives. This also facilitates accurate, real-time feedback and a parallel means of grievance redressal. Now, when we have Facebook, social network, that doesn't mean our conventional means of redressal of grievances have been given up. No. They become equally important, remain equally important. But this is another access which we have given to the citizens, especially those who have internet access, to reach us. We have increased transparency, we have increased accountability, and above all, as you saw me speaking, we have exposed ourselves to public scrutiny. Please note, between Delhi Traffic Police and us, there is a major difference. In their website, in their Facebook system, a citizen reports against a citizen to challan, and Delhi Police issues the challan. In our case, it is our head or neck which is on the chopper block, because we are exposing ourselves. Citizen is making a complaint against MCD that, look, you haven't lifted garbage there, you haven't lifted garbage there, you haven't lifted garbage there. So this is one major difference. That is why for MCD it becomes far more tough to adopt this kind of a mechanism. Then we wanted an inclusive approach, and we also wanted to target the youth. The entire profile of Delhi is changing. Younger people are there. If you look at the audience here also, I'm sure the bulk would be amongst the younger ones. And Facebook is a means, is a platform which is in fashion. Youth use it. So we thought, why not? We should also use it. And in this way, if we can pull the youth towards our efforts, change their attitudes, we should try. And I think we are succeeding a little bit. We need to do a lot more. We will. We have 2,100 designated garbage collection sites which we are monitoring. We have our page which is already liked by over 3,500 persons. 3,500 persons. 300 complaints have been received, and 99% have been addressed to the satisfaction of the complainants. We have a response room. We don't like the word control room. Our response room team is also here. And while we cannot immediately redress every complaint, because certain complaints involve policy issues, we do acknowledge each one of them. Three problems which we are facing. MCD has such a huge interface with people that complaints are not limited to only garbage. We have complaints of stray dogs, we have complaints of unauthorized construction, we have complaints of bad roads, poor parks, But we can't address all these because we have clearly stated, right now we are only talking of designated garbage collection sites. Then internet access is limited, so only those who have access can use this platform. Our officers are not very active in posting and replying. There is some inertia and we are trying to overcome this problem. And I said real-time response as a solution may not be possible in all cases. Why did we not have our own interactive website? After all, MCD does have a website, yes, but having this would involve cost. Here's a platform which is popular, which is free, which is being used, so we thought we should use it. And last two things, cleaning garbage is a dynamic process. What is clean today will become dirty tomorrow. So it is not that the solution is permanent. What we need is continuous, active citizens' participation, citizens' monitoring. It is the citizens and the community who have to be our vigilance teams to tell us where something is going wrong. And our people would be more accountable and they would be responding. And the Facebook experiment has also inculcated a sense of pride amongst the employees and our concessionaires. Now, if we get a response saying, well done MCD, it's seen by everybody. Even the Karmachari knows that the commissioner, additional commissioner may see it. So this is also something which is very good. We are planning to increase the footprint very soon, maybe next week. We are going to also monitor the cleanliness and upkeep of public toilets in Delhi on this platform. So we have about 800 public urinals, some of them newly constructed. We will monitor how they are also being kept, and we will be responding on the Facebook. I believe there is some time for question answers. If that time you have questions, I'll be happy to answer. I must also recognize Mrs. Anita Bhargav and her husband Sanjay Bhargav sitting here. They have helped us a lot in hand-holding and pushing us in getting on with this. You saw Anita on the website, and our response room team is also here. I will not recognize them all individually. Pradeep Khandelwal is, of course, Mr. Pradeep Khandelwal is superintending engineer who is responsible for the response room among his other onerous responsibilities. And if you have any questions, later on I'll answer them. Thank you.